Hello America, Mark.Kelson here today at Junction City Guaranty RV to present to you this 2019 24D Navion by Winnebago. Let's go inside and see what it has to offer. Great floor plan. Coming inside, you'll see colors, style. This is an awesome coach. Look at the flooring, easy cleanup, a very wide berth in here for if you have pets or kids with you. The one thing about this coach is you do have the booth and you also have the couch. And one thing about Winnebago is they spare no expense and they do all the little touches. Like this right here has intercoil springs, so it's a lot easier to sit on for any length of time. It's a really great coach. There's a lot to it. Coming back here, you do have the couch. Now in this coach, what I like about it is right here's your bed. So touch of a button, comes down, boom, you got your bed. Takes about 5 seconds. Then put it back up. This is the D model. Excellent coach. Coming over to this side, you have a lot of counter space, a lot of prep space. You have a double stainless steel sink, nice little 2-burner right there. One thing that I really like about this is this huge window right here. So you're working in the kitchen, you look outside, it's just fabulous. A lot of drawers in this. And Winnebago makes all their own, cabinetry and all their own furniture and everything like that. It's great. Here's your TV right up above, so you're sitting over here, you're straight on right there. Right here you do have a convection microwave. Here's your refrigerator and freezer. Here's your power panel up here. You have your slide room right there. You have an inverter. You start your generator, LP valve. This does have solar on it. This is pretty awesome. Recharge your batteries. Look at this. There's your pantry, pull-out trays. And you can reach them all. They're not very high, so it's really cool. Coming back here in the bathroom, well, you have your mirror, you have your sink, your toilet. You've got a really nice shower back here. That's a huge shower. You can see that. Nice lighting in here, window in the back. You got a big space right there to put all your stuff in. Coming here in the front, look at that. Extra bed in case you have guests over, kids, grandkids. Ladder to access it. Nice seating up here. This is on the Mercedes Sprinter chassis. You have an infotainment center up there. Look at all that stuff. This thing is nicely equipped. Let's go outside and see what it has to offer. Coming outside, this is a full body paint coach. So you'll never lose any of its luster as far as the paint goes. Look at this, you got nice storage underneath. Coming back here, the Navion does have a 3600 LP generator with an optional diesel generator. More storage. Up above you have the automatic awning. LED lighting up there. Great coach. Ladder accessing the roof so you can get to your air conditioner, whatever you need to take care of up there, seals and maintenance. You have your tow right here. 5,000-pound hitch. Coming around to the side, full wall slide, but underneath you do have your water bay, all your drains and everything right there. This coach also has Alcoa wheels on it, so it makes it very stable and durable. And look at this, more storage. And those two bays meet so you can put longer things in there. This is a great coach. This coach will get about 14 miles to the gallon. Very economical, very stylish. If this coach is of interest to you or any of the ones we have on the lot, please give me a call. Mark.Kelson, 541-285-8791, or the number at the bottom of your screen. Thank you so much for watching today.